Alright, you guys might have remembered this in an earlier video. This is our tenon cutter for log furniture. We finally got up here to the cabin where we're working on our handrails around our deck up there, and we got this thing running where you can cut the tenons. And what we do is run a 1/2 inch spade bit down through the end of here that'll run on that sput on there. We'll get that cut in there now and see what we get. This is hard to get nice and straight. The straighter you are, the easier it is to turn the log. Just hit for center. Up here. So this acts as this is our stop right here for our depth, and I can adjust that for up and down on the how big the diameter is of the tenon. And right there, that'll probably work. You get him plugged in. We got the saw blade turned around backwards. You don't want it spinning towards you. It's going to flip the log into you if something happens. A little bit big, and we go up and start test fitting it, and then we'll just get it down closer to size, and we'll go up there and put that in. But not a bad looking tenon.